Welcome back to our channel. We recently came across a UK 1 penny coin from 2010 in remarkably good condition, and we're here to explore its value and delve into its heritage. As you can see, the 2010 UK 1 penny features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth I on the obverse. Her Majesty's effigy was created by Aeon broadly, a renowned British sculptor. The reverse side of the coin showcases the iconic image of a crowned portcullis, which is the emblem of the Palace of Westminster. Let's talk about its condition. This particular coin we have here is in remarkably good shape. It has been well preserved, with minimal signs of wear and tear. The details on both sides of the coin are crisp and clear, which is always a desirable trait for collectors. Now, let's address the burning question. What is the value of this 2010 UK 1 penny coin in such good condition? To determine that, we can look at recent auctions and sales in the numismatic market. One prominent auction house that deals with coins and other collectibles is Heritage Auctions. They have a strong reputation for handling rare and valuable items. So, we checked their archives to see if they had any recent sales of the 2010 UK 1 penny coin in similar condition. After some extensive research, we found that in the past year, a few 2010 UK 1 penny coins in good condition have been sold at Heritage Auctions. The prices ranged from 5,000 to possiven 1,000 to 7,000, depending on the specific condition and any unique attributes of the coin. Now, it's essential to keep in mind that these prices are subject to various factors such as market demand, rarity, and the specific condition of each coin, so the value can fluctuate over time. Many collectors find joy in owning coins that reflect their country's history, and this 1 penny coin is no exception. It's a tangible piece of art and history that can spark conversations and connect us to the past. So whether you're a serious collector or just someone fascinated by coins, the 2010 UK 1 penny coin in good condition is undoubtedly a piece worth considering. Its value extends beyond its monetary worth, and it adds a touch of history to any collection. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time,